Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Profitec 300. It comes to us like with no water coming out from the group head, and when we tested I found the water pump is dead. Replace it and I figured out like it needs a tune-up, so replace all the gaskets here, descale the machine, deep clean for the steam wand. But the thing is, this machine comes without porter filter. I tried borrow another porter filter from, so it's not fit perfect, so I cannot test it with the coffee, but still I can test it like that. It works perfect, and the steamer works good too. Let me test the hot water. Works great. So all the functions works perfect now. Thank you for watching.